Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to solve your Facebook apps is not working problem. So in this tutorial, if you cannot use your Facebook apps perfectly, I'm going to show you how can you solve it or how can you fix it. So let's begin our video. So first of all, uh, you need to log out your Facebook account from your Facebook apps. So then you need to list back, and now you need to open your Google Play Store. So guys, here you can see this is my Google Play Store. So open it, and then you need to search for Facebook apps. Here you can see this is my Facebook apps, and you need to check out your Facebook apps is update or not. Here you can see my Facebook apps is not updated, so you need to update your Facebook apps. And after that you need to list back, and now you need to go your phone settings. So guys, here you can see this is my phone settings. So open it, and after that you need to scroll down, and you need to find out apps or apps management option. So my phone have apps option only, so just open it, and after that you need to tap on manage apps option. So here you can see manage apps, so open it, and now you need to check out for Facebook apps. So finally guys, I can find my Facebook apps is here, so just open it, and now on the bottom left corner you have a option force stop, so just force stop, and then on the bottom right corner there have a option clear data, so clear all data. Okay, two step is complete. Now you need to tap on permission option. On the here you can see there have a option permission, so just open it, and you need to mark everything like that. You need to mark everything like that. So you need to enable this, and after that you need to list back, and then you need to open your Facebook apps, and now you can log out your you can log in your Facebook apps. Now here you can see guys, your Facebook apps is perfectly working. So guys, in this way you can solve your Facebook apps not working problem. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.